Welcome to the best picks. The best Crayola Art Sets is probably one of the most exciting gifts for girls aged 7 to 12, offering a vibrant world of creative expression and skill development. This video dives into the top Crayola Art Sets perfect for young artists, comparing features, value, and the overall artistic experience they provide, helping you choose the ideal set to nurture your child's talent and unleash their inner artist. Number 5. Crayola Inspiration Art Case. It's the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a complete art studio in one convenient case. Watch their imagination come to life with this amazing set. With 40 markers, 20 colored pencils, 64 crayons, and 15 large sheets of paper, it has everything they need to create masterpieces. It's the ultimate art kit for budding artists. This durable and compact case makes it easy for young artists to bring their creativity anywhere. It's perfect for on-the-go fun and artistic adventures. It boasts a wide array of colors, from bold and bright to soft and subtle, ensuring their artwork truly pops with vibrant hues. Let them explore their artistic style. It's ideal for art class or creative projects at home. This comprehensive set provides all the tools needed for back-to-school success and endless creative fun. The case features trays and compartments to keep everything neat and easily accessible. No more searching for missing supplies. It makes a fantastic birthday or back-to-school gift for any child who loves to draw, color, and create. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Parents can rest assured knowing it's safe and non-toxic, perfect for children aged 5 and up. Let them create without worry. What we like? It has everything you need for any art project. This comprehensive kit is perfect if you have a young artist who loves to experiment with different mediums. Its portable case makes it ideal for on-the-go creativity. Choose this if you want a wide variety of colors and tools in one convenient package. What people say. From the outside, the case itself is very sturdy and durable. It does not give me the impression that it will break, scratch, or dent easily. The quality is top-notch and the size is perfect to carry around. The design on the outside is cute and on the inside it holds the markers, crayons, and colored pencils in perfectly. Was a little concerned based on other reviews saying the package came damaged, but was pleasantly surprised to see the case in amazing condition. Not a single nick or sign of wear. It actually feels really sturdy, and I have good expectations of it lasting a while. The colors are just as vibrant as pictured. The case is absolutely gorgeous. The art supplies came in amazing condition as well, all working very nicely so far. Number 4. Crayola Sprinkle Art Shaker. Get ready to create dazzling artwork with the Crayola Sprinkle Art Shaker. It's the easiest way to add a sprinkle of fun to your masterpieces. This kit comes with everything you need: a shaker, 5 bottles of colorful sprinkles, project sheets, glue, and instructions. Let's get started. Who doesn't love sprinkles? Now you can use them to make amazing art. It's a simple and fun way to express your creativity. It's the perfect indoor activity to keep kids engaged and entertained. These simple crafts are a great way to boost creativity and have fun. Say goodbye to messy sprinkles everywhere. This portable art set lets you decorate with precision. It's a clean and easy way to create beautiful art. It's incredibly simple to use. Just add paper, add sprinkles, close the lid, and shake. Watch your artwork come to life. What we like? This unique kit lets you create sparkly art with minimal mess. If you're looking for a fun and easy craft activity, this is it. It's perfect for kids who love sprinkles and want to add a touch of sparkle to their creations. Choose this if you want a fun, easy, and less messy crafting experience. What people say. Having read reviews before purchasing and seeing a lot of trouble with static, I had an idea to solve that issue. Before we put in a paper, I rub a dryer sheet all over the inside on every spot I can access. It works. I'm glad the hinges are easy to deal with. It keeps the sprinkles in during use, which is the most important part. Pretty much keeps the paper in place, and for 12 it's a win. This is great. I use it for embossing powder and glitter application, and really enjoy using it. Paper crafters know that flakes, powders, sequins, and glitter have a mind of their own, defying the laws of physics. I place paper in the bottom of the tray, do my process, and conveniently put any excess back in the bottle. Number 3. Crayola Inspiration Art Case. It's the Crayola Inspiration Art Case, a complete art kit designed to spark imagination. It's perfect for budding artists of all ages. This amazing set includes everything you need: crayons, markers, colored pencils, and large paper sheets. It's a comprehensive collection for any project. The durable case keeps everything neatly organized with trays and compartments. Its lightweight design and handle make it easy to transport. It boasts a wide variety of vibrant colors, from bold and bright to soft and subtle. There's a color for every mood and masterpiece. Whether it's for art class or home projects, it's the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a great way to encourage creativity. Designed with safety in mind, it's non-toxic and suitable for ages 5 and up. Let your child's creativity soar without worry. What we like? Blast off into creativity with this space-themed art set. If you are looking for a gift for a budding space explorer, this is a great choice. It's well organized, making it easy for kids to find what they need. Choose this if you want a themed art set with a wide variety of supplies. What people say. The variety of markers and crayons are great. It is wonderful. It came with the mini markers, which are perfect for small hands, the taller markers, the mini colored pencils, and crayons, of course. The case is sturdy and it's packed with the items your child will actually use, not things like the useless pastel chalk crayons or cheap watercolor paint set like some other sets have. This set has crayons, small colored pencils, pipsqueak markers, regular markers, and sheets of drawing paper. And, of course, it's the Crayola brand quality you know and trust. Number 2. Crayola Super Art Kit. It's the ultimate art kit for young artists. This kit has everything they need to create amazing masterpieces. Crayons, markers, colored pencils, construction paper, it's all here. There's something for every artistic project. The included storage tub keeps everything organized and easy to find. No more messy art supplies scattered around. It's great for homework, seasonal crafts, and imaginative play. It sparks creativity and fun. Made with safe, non-toxic materials, it's perfect for kids ages 5 and up. Parents can relax knowing it's safe for their children. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's sure to be a hit with any young artist. What we like? This ultimate art kit has it all. It's perfect if you need a comprehensive set for various art projects. The included storage tub keeps everything organized. Choose this if you want a versatile kit with a wide range of art supplies for all types of creative activities. What people say. It's a great set because it has everything she needs, but she also doesn't need to baby it. It's pretty durable and can withstand her not-so-gentle use. The container is large and not fully filled, as you can see in the pics, however it comes with a lot of great stuff. We got skinny and fat markers, colored pencils, different types of crayons, paper, glue stick, etc., everything that was advertised in the listing. Markers are washable too, that is a big plus as far as cleanup goes, and it doesn't stain up our table. It contains a few pieces of construction paper and some glue sticks, as well as a ton of different types of crayons and colored pencils. It also had a box of markers and a great case. The case was quite large, so I was able to add the coloring books and some other supplies inside of the case for them to carry their little craft center around the house with them. Number 1. Crayola All That Glitters Art Case. Unleash your child's creativity with this exciting art set. It's filled with everything they need to create sparkly masterpieces. It includes glitter crayons, glue, chalk, a marker, and a color-your-own sticker sheet. There's even construction paper to get started. Add some sparkle to your drawings with the glitter crayons, glue, and chalk. Let your imagination run wild. The sturdy case keeps everything organized and makes it easy to take your art supplies anywhere. Perfect for on-the-go creativity. Personalize your crafts with the color-your-own sticker sheet. Design unique glitter stickers to add to your projects. It's a perfect gift for kids ages 5 and up. Parents can rest assured knowing it's safe and non-toxic. What we like? Add some sparkle to your art projects. If you like glitter and want to create shiny masterpieces, this is the perfect kit. The portable case makes it easy to take your art supplies on the go. Choose this if you want to create unique and personalized glitter crafts. What people say. I love that it came with storage and can hold everything. The colors are very cute and vibrant. This was a hit. Bought it for a 5-year-old's birthday and all the kids at her party loved it. Bright and colorful. Bought this for my niece and she absolutely loved it. Great assortment of colors and paper for her to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.